If you want to create a quiz in Squarespace, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple step-by-step process to build a quiz using Squarespace's form block, customize the fields for your questions and answers, and connect storage so you can collect every submission properly. This is a great method if you want to create a lead capture quiz, a customer engagement quiz, a knowledge test, or even a fun interactive form for your website visitors. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy website and software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Squarespace page editor and go to this page where you want your quiz to appear. Once you're inside the editor, click Add Block. Squarespace uses blocks to add different types of content to your page, and for a quiz, we're going to use a form block because it gives us the flexibility to create custom questions and collect responses. Next, select Form from the block options. Once the form block is added to your page, click Edit, which is the pencil icon on the form block. This opens the form settings so you can customize everything to match your quiz. Now click Edit Form Fields. You'll see the default fields that Squarespace adds automatically, and this is where you can start turning the form into a quiz. Delete the default fields you do not need so your quiz stays clean and easy to follow. Removing unnecessary fields helps make the quiz more focused and gives your visitors a better experience. After that, click Add Field. Here, you'll want to choose the right field type based on the kind of question you're asking. If your question only has one correct or one selected answer, choose Radio. Radio buttons are perfect for single choice questions. If you want people to be able to select more than one option, choose checkboxes instead. That's ideal for multiple choice questions where more than one answer may apply. Once you add the field, type your question into the label field. This is the text your visitors will see, so make it clear and direct. Then enter your answer options underneath. For example, if you're making a trivia style quiz, you might add one question at a time with several possible answers. If you're making a lead quiz or feedback quiz, you can still use the same method to structure each question in a simple and user-friendly way. Repeat this process for every quiz question you want to include. Add a new field, choose the correct field type the question in the label field, and then add the answer choices. Keep going until your quiz is complete. The key here is to organize the questions in a logical order so the quiz feels smooth and easy to complete from start to finish. Now that your quiz questions are in place, the next important step is making sure the submissions go somewhere useful. Click the Storage tab in the form settings. This is where Squarespace lets you connect your email, Google Drive, or MailChimp. If you want to receive quiz submissions by email, connect your email. If you want to store responses in Google Drive, connect that option. And if you're using email marketing, MailChimp is a great choice for collecting and managing leads automatically. This step is very important because without storage connected, you may not be able to easily collect or review the responses from your quiz. So take a moment here to choose the destination that works best for your workflow and your business goals. After everything is set up, click Save on the page. That applies your changes and makes your quiz live on the page. At this point, your Squarespace quiz is ready for visitors to interact with, submit answers, and engage with your content. And that's how to create a quiz in Squarespace using the built-in form block. It's a simple but powerful way to make your website more interactive without needing advanced coding or third-party tools. If this video helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials, website tips, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.